Hello, and welcome to day number 55 of the 5 Luo Words a Day. Today we talk about these words: angwola, angut, angwe, angwen. And if you've not been following this series, please take your time to go through to day number 1 so that you can enjoy all the way to day number 54. Let's move on today. Hey, please subscribe. What is angwola? Angwola. Angwola is a loincloth, the equivalent of a small pant, like now, but it's worn by the boys. Angwola. In an example, you can say, angwola na ayieth. Koro, wiya kuot rwako e dho nam. Angwola na ayieth. Koro wiya kuot rwako e dho nam. Angwola na ayieth. Koro wiya kuot rwako e dho nam. So my loincloth is torn and I'm ashamed of wearing it at the beach. The second word of the day is, let me just remove myself, angut. Angut. Angut is a slip loop, as the one shown there, with a single granny knot to keep it from tightening. So you can talk about adwa tweyo dhiang' kod tol angut. Adwa tweyo dhiang' kod tol angut. So that is the slip loop. Angut. Angut. Our third word of the day is angwe. Angwe or ngwe. Ngwe. Ngwe is stinky. Ngwe. In an example, I can say, ode ngwe marach chal kagima oyieyo otho e ot. Ode ngwe marach chal kagima oyieyo otho e ot. So that house is stinky. It seems like a rat just died in there. Angwe. So angwe or ngwe. Ngwe is stinky. Our fourth word is still the same thing. Angwe. And angwe is the smallpox. Smallpox. That is angwe. Smallpox. In an example, tuo mar angwe ne otieko joluo mane odak oko ndalo manene. Tuo mar angwe ne otieko joluo mane odak oko ndalo manene. So the disease killed lots of Luos in the diaspora a long time ago. And finally, the last word of the day is angwen. 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 Angwen is 4. Adwa nyieo rombe angwen. Adwa nyieo rombe angwen. So I want to purchase 4 sheep. Adwa nyieo rombe angwen. Good. And that brings us to the end of this session. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Consider sharing the video with your friends. Consider liking the video, just so that we can get one more person or 2 more people to know about this channel. And I thank you so much for sticking with us all through to day number 54. I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oriti.